My name is Advay and today we are going to do another experiment. The ingredients you need for this experiment are 2 spoons sugar crystals and a beaker full of 100 ml water. A beaker of 100 ml water. So now today we are going to we are going to do an experiment. So, reminding you of that story, if you know that, remember that story in which there was like a crow and he put pebbles into a pot kind of thing, vessel, and slowly the water in the vessel came rising up. So today instead of stones, I have got these sugar crystals. Will they do the same as the pebbles did, or will they not? So what do you think? I'm giving 5 seconds to think. Okay, your time's up. So now, let's start putting in the sugar. So, let's put it. We're going to put 2 spoons of sugar. Not 2 spoons actually. I'm going to put 1 more spoon of this. 1 more. And now, never mind. I'll just clean up this whole mess. I'll just bring it here. So now I'm going to mix it. So I just cleaned up this mess, and after a few minutes of dissolving this, a few minutes after stirring, we saw that the water level had not increased. As well, the sugars simply vanished. But there is a bit there, never vanished. At least not all of it. So now I'll tell you the reason why it vanished. So the sugar molecules filled in the gaps of the loosely packed water molecules. This is why the level of the water did not increase, since there was no additional space that the sugar molecules applied. Now, but if we put more spoons of sugar into it, and when we stir it, the water level will slowly, I don't know what will happen. Let's do it. So, I'm gonna put 1 spoon. 2, okay? Yep. Now let's stir and stir. Stir. Meanwhile, you can see this Okay, after a lot of stirring, we have to add, after putting many sugar crystals, a total of 6 spoons, and even after stirring, there is sugar crystal still left. So, and the volume has increased, as you can see. So, why had this happened? This is because there was a the extra sugar crystals, the molecules couldn't find the gaps in the water molecules, because all of them would have been filled with the other sugar crystal molecules. So those sugar crystals simply remained. So that's the reason why. And it increased because add more space, the molecules occupied space, so the water level increased. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button and subscribe or turn on it. Until the next video, bye!